Here's how Typewriter works, folks. Perry Peltier, author extraordinaire, is working on his latest literary feat. And as he's typing away at the old typewriter there, myself and the other boys are going to come out and we're going to act out the narrative as it's being written. That's how the game works. We love this game. This is a fun game. What I need from you guys now is pick a period of time in all of history, any period of time.
17th and Renaissance.
Trojan War.
You know, it's 1776.
Prehistoric.
Prehistoric times?
Prehistoric.
Renaissance.
Huh? No. When you, I don't know what it is. The future. Oh!
Yeah, I've heard too many different.
I'm sorry, I'm getting excited. How do you guys feel about the future?
It's scary and confusing me, but I love
Let's do it. Perry, a future story. The future.
My talking story later tonight.
Let's do it. Let's talk about the future.
Oh, a great day to write a story. All right. The year is 2417. Yeah, 2417. As Buck, oh no, not Buck. As Luke, no. Name Buck, Luke. Billy Bob. Yeah, as Billy Bob was riding his space rocket through the riding his rocket through this purple mandibular.
Pretty.
Billy Bob was one of the most beautifulest astronauts ever to be found. His sparkling smile just won you over every time he looked at you.
Mine. Doubly mine.
When all of a sudden his radar picked up an enemy flying in from
Oh my God, there's totally an enemy flying.
in from the southeast. He came in, flying fast and furious. Sparks flying from its tail. It stopped. It muttered a few words from his home planet.
Whatever, Sparkle Butt.
We couldn't. Billy Bob couldn't believe it. It was the lone alien from the planet Sparklebutt. But little did Billy Bob know, the alien from Sparklebutt was not alone. He was pregnant. Carrying the only other Sparklebutt alive.
This is nasty.
Just then, Billy Bob's captain alerted him.
Yes, Captain?
The captain spoke.
There's a serious problem. Apparently, you are being inundated with Sparklebots. Do you need assistance, Billy Bob, Space Ranger of awesomeness?
Don't worry, Captain. I got this well in hand.
Oh, good. Martini.
Billy Bob loved his new design that the space creature gave him.
It really draws the eye.
Sparkle's baby was born. I don't like this story. I don't like it. Oh, starting over. Oh, I need a drink. I got it. As John, Sam, and Freddie were sitting in their space capsule, eating their bananas, they were the first 3 monkeys to ever fly into space. Just as they were turning through the rings of Saturn, they noticed a small planet. The spaceship came to a screeching halt. As they were trained to put on their spacesuits as soon as the ship stopped, they snapped into their backpacks. They were the X-17 jetpacks that they were waiting to try. As Freddie actually made it to the planet, he came back carrying the biggest and greatest bananas he'd ever seen. Oh my gosh, the monkeys! 2 of them are dead. He's all alone now. He knows what he must do. I must bury the dead.
You can talk!